Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your Monkey app account. I will be deleting the account using my mobile phone. If you want to know how to delete it on your PC, let me know in the comments. First, open the Monkey app on your phone. Once the app loads, go to your profile and tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on About Monkey. Here you will see the option to delete your account. So tap on it. You will see a message saying that your account will be deleted after 30 days and you can reactivate it anytime before that. Tap on delete my account and choose a reason. I am selecting the first option, then tapping on delete my account again. Now type delete to confirm. After that, tap on delete my account one last time. That's it. Your Monkey App account is permanently deleted. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.